Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to dissect our mammalian heart. Okay, heart is the circulatory organ. Okay, in our circulatory system, that blood circulatory system, the vital organ is our heart. Okay, it is locates where it is locates. Yes, inside our chest cavity. Inside our chest cavity, in between two lungs, the place is called mediastinum. Okay, in that mediastinum, slightly it is tilted towards that left side. Okay, left lung side is there. Okay, in our this heart locates inside our chest cavity, in between two lungs. That place is called mediastinum. Then slightly it is tilt left side. And what is the actual size of our heart? It is in your own fist size. Okay, our fist size. My heart is in this size is there, and then your heart is in your fist size is there. Okay, now this is the heart we collected from butcher shop. The sheep's heart is there. This is the sheep's heart. So we know this is the outer border is there. It is in triangular. Okay, triangular. Then anterior part is broader or wider. Then posterior part is there. It is narrower. Okay, and it is separated by four chambers. Okay, separated by septa. That is called septa. That septa only, like it works as a groove, and it is separating this heart into four chambers. That upper parts are called as auricles or atria. Okay, singular one is atrium, plural atria. That upper parts are called as atria. Then these lower parts, lower chambers are called as ventricles. Okay, then here we can see this is called, what are they? Superior vena cava. This is called superior vena cava. This is coming from, this is collecting deoxygenated blood from upper side of upper body parts. Then here one more is there. What are they? Inferior vena cava. That is collecting blood from posterior body parts. Then we know arteries are starts from heart. Okay, veins are ends at heart. Okay, arteries begins from heart and ends at body organs. Then veins are starts from body parts, then ends at heart. Then we know this is the superior vena cava and posterior vena cava. From this heart, two more arteries, they will go outside. What are they? This is called pulmonary artery. See, here it is divided into two branches are there. Two branches. One is left pulmonary artery, right pulmonary artery. They are taking deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. In that lungs, that blood is what are they? Purifies, and then they comes again into this heart by that pulmonary veins. Okay, then again this oxygenated blood from these what are they? Left right ventricle to, they will pass to our body parts through the biggest artery, aorta. What it is? Aorta. Okay, this is the biggest artery. This is coming from, what are they? Right ventricle. Now let us see. Now we are now members of heart. See here, this is the right atrium. Here, this is the right atrium. Superior vena cava, they enters into it only. Induloki enter ayindi chudandi. They are enters into it. Superior vena cava, they enters into it. Then this is the atrium. In between them, here tricuspid valve is present. These are the valves. Look at them. These are the valves, and this is the right ventricle. And then next, this side, we have to check this one. See, this is a left atrium, left ventricle. From this left ventricle, this is aorta moving outside. It is collecting oxygenated blood. Okay, we know arteries are oxygenated blood, veins are collecting deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary arteries containing deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary veins oxygenated blood, quite opposite of normal arteries and veins. Okay, normal arteries, they are carrying oxygenated blood, and veins carrying deoxygenated blood. But here these pulmonary arteries, they are carrying deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary veins, they are carrying oxygenated blood. But why do we call them as pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins? Why don't we call them as veins? Because they are collecting deoxygenated blood. But why don't we call them pulmonary veins? Because which are begins from our heart, we call them as arteries. Okay, which are ends in our heart is there, we call them as veins. So that's why pulmonary, we added pulmonary, means that word related to lungs, means they are going towards the lungs. That's why they are called pulmonary veins. Kidney also we discussed renal vein, renal artery, renal word, it is belongs to kidney. Like that here also, this pulmonary word, it is related to lungs, cardiac, such types of words if we listen anywhere, that is related to heart. Okay, these heart also protecting by pericardium.